In front of me is OPPO Find X3 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to Tap on Apps. Then select App Clone App, click on any app you wish to clone and use the switcher next to Create App Clone. Then wait. Now you can rename your clone whatever you wish to and hit Save. You can also tap on Default App to open and choose one of those options. In order to delete your cloned app, use the same No Blue switcher and hit Delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!